What's up, guys? Today I have a new wing for the 350. It is a Nismo V3 style wing. We're gonna go ahead and paint it and wrap it today and mount it on the Z. Oh, that smells good, mate. This thing is legendary. Oh man, that looks so good. Let me get you a better view. Boys, look at this wing. Look at it. Oh, it looks better than I expected. Look at this. All the mounting points are already riveted on, riv-nutted, or they're in with the mold. Dude, this looks amazing. This is a good quality wing, 100%. I'll link it below where I got it. All right, guys. So, what we're going to do with this is we're actually going to wrap the top half. So I'm going to make like a line here that kind of follows this groove, and that'll be all wrap all the way around. And then these insides will be painted. All around will be painted red to match the car. And honestly, this black looks really good, but I do want it glossy, not matte. So I will paint the whole wing, just because when I take off the wrap, I want it to be red, if I want to run red, or if I want to rewrap it a different color. So the whole thing will be painted. Oh boys, it's gonna look really good. Let's set up our paint station and get to painting. What's up, guys? So I just finished putting the primer on it. And it's kind of everywhere. So I'm not going to record this. Well, I'm not going to record the painting because it's going to get everywhere and it's going to get on my lens. You guys won't be able to see. But as you can see, they both have good coats. This one came out a little better than the other one. Here you can see I wanted to sand it and see how it would feel, but it started removing it, so decided not to sand it. But yeah, next we're gonna go ahead and paint it, color match red, and I'll give you an update then. Alright guys, so I've gone through and painted it. So it doesn't look too bad. The primer leaves a weird like texture, like a crinkle paint type. You can kind of see it on camera. But on the heavy spray areas, you can see it looks really good. And this is just the paint. So once I hit it with the clear, this will be really, really glossy. It will really shine. So next step is to hit it with this. So you take this top part off, you put it on the bottom, you smash it, and then you have 48 hours to spray it. So next time you'll be seeing this, it'll be a finished product. Alright guys, this is fully clear coated. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. So what I plan to do is wrap the top portion, kind of follow this line and wrap it all the way around. I'll probably do the cutoff line like underneath here, and then I'll wrap this bottom deck as well, just the top part, and leave everything else red, kind of mimicking the Type R look, so that the sides are painted, top is black, and then the bottom deck is black as well. So let's go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.
Put a spell on you.